Hi guys. So ayun nga, we are still looking for business partners no sa Off to Streets. And nga pala, we are a sneaker reseller or shop, online shop. We sell top grade or OEM quality shoes. Matibay na siya and then mura lang halaga. So yun po. And ngayon, we are just looking for business partners na gusto mag-invest or palakihin yung pera nila. All you need to do is just to put money in our shop, and then kami na bahala. Kami na bahala magbenta, and then all you need to do is just to sit back and relax. And you're gonna have 30% ng return profit. So for example, 10,000 is the minimum investment, so that's 3,000 per month. So by that time, so for the first 3 months malalak yung capital. Hindi pwede withdraw since kailangan pa muna namin gamitin yung capital to be able to para bumenta, ganun. So pero yung maganda dun is sa first month pa lang ay meron na agad na return profit na 30%. So, and then the following months and the succeeding months, meron na agad 30%. Pero sa first 3 months, malalak muna yon. Siyempre, kailangan mo nang magamit talaga yung capital. So, so if you want to raise your money and earn 30% profit each month, di na masama, di ba? So, 10%, 3,000 kapag halimbawa 20,000, edi 6,000 per month. And then kapag 100,000 yung investment ninyo, edi 30,000 yun each month. So kami na bahala mag-hustle na magbenta ng mga products or shoes. So we're just looking for business partners. So again, crowdfunding dahil nagsa-start pa lang naman kami. So if interesado kayo, PM nyo lang ako, pag-usapan natin yan.